If you've ever tried adding subtitles to a video manually, you know how painful it could be. Timing every word, lining up each sentence, it could take hours. And honestly, who has that kind of time? That's why I want to show you Captionbolt, a super fast, beginner-friendly tool that can add captions to any video in just a couple of minutes. No editing skills required. Here's how it works. There are just 3 simple steps. Number 1, upload your video, drag and drop your file into Captionbolt. That's it. Step 2, pick your style. Captionbolt has 301 style presets, so you can make your captions look clean, bold, and social media friendly. I usually test a few to see which one matches my video the best. You can change the font size, the color and appearance, the letter spacing, the line height, the effects and animation. You can have keyword emphasis, so a keyword stands out. It has many different styles to choose from. Social hype, storytelling, music, professional, artistic, minimal. What I really like is you can also edit the captions. So every caption, you can edit it. You can also add a B-roll. You can drag and drop images. Step 3, download your finished video. And that's all. No manual timing, no complicated software, no wasted hours. What I love about this is how polished it looks compared to other auto caption tools. Most of those give you captions that are messy or plain. Captionbolt's style make your video look professional and ready to post, whether it's for TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or longer videos. If you want to try Captionbolt for yourself, go to the link in the description and use my exclusive code. Best Media Vids 50. That'll give you 50% off, which is perfect if you're creating videos regularly or want professional looking captions without the hassle. Seriously, if you're ready to save time and make your videos more engaging, Captionbolt is a game changer. The difference is clear. Most companies just test your water, mail you a report full of numbers you're really on the phone, walking you through every finding. Because knowing what's in your water is really just half the story.